Maayong adlaw mga igsoon, this is Richard Gomez right here in Goma at home. Welcome. It's a beautiful day. We are preparing today cassava with coconut cream and sago. So, nasa yung cassava natin. I will show you kung saan natin kukunin yung cassava. Come on, come with me. Kukuha tayo ng cassava ngayon. Kasama natin ang ating trusted na handyman, si Paing. No? So, Paing, alin dito yung kukuha natin ng balanghoy. Okay, kini. Sige. 1, 2, 3. Sa 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ganito itsura niya. Oh. Bango. So, take 1. Hindi mo na siya.
Para slide ang
sige, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yun. Okay. Dami. Akala nyo simple lang kumuha ng kasaba? Sus, lesson kayo eh, ha? Oh. So you need strength, brute strength para hilahin sa yuta ang kasaba. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Pag maganda yung bunot, andyan lahat, oh. Tataba nito, ah. Ha? Okay, so we'll clean this up and then we'll go back to our kitchen. All right. Okay, so nakita nyo na kung paano kahirap magbunot ng cassava. Kala mo, dali-dali niya, no? When you buy it, easy lang, pero it takes a lot of work to really do this and clean it. So now, simulan natin ng pagputol sa cassava natin. We'll take out the ends. Ito lang siya. Okay. So, ito, just slice to it on top and then try to open it, just like that. And then magkataas yan, pwede mo nang gamitin yung kamay mo just to peel it off. Easy lang, oh. Alright. See? Ganun lang siya kadali. We'll do one more. Okay? So, slice through it and then peel it just like this. And you're ready. Yan na siya. Ang linis pa. So after this, let's clean my table. Take out all the skin out. So ang gagawin natin, putulin natin siya into small pieces. Yes, like this. Tapos ato siya itunga. Tunga is to cut it in half. Okay. Again. And then, from here, while we're doing this, nito natin yung pot natin. You know, when you buy coconut, no, coconut cream, pinipiga nila yan eh. Yung unang press, yan talaga yung pinaka-pure. Second press, nilalagyan lang ng konting water. Tapos yun na muna yung gagamitin natin. So if you see, there's water here pero meron pa siyang cream. So mataas pa rin yung cream content niya. So ito yung gagamitin natin para dito natin pakukuluan yung cassava natin. Okay? You know, they say that if you don't cook cassava well, it can be toxic, no? So the best is to be sure is to cook it well. To cook it well means lutuin natin ng mas matagal. Sige, lagyan na natin ito sa pot natin and then we'll just let it boil. So from this point on, we will let it boil for about an hour and then babalikan natin siya. Later on, after mga 30 minutes, pag nagsimula na siyang kumulo, I'll put in our sugar. And then just before siya matapos, I'll put in our sago. And then we'll put in our coconut cream, okay? So, we'll give it some time, let it boil. Siguro, i-grip muna tayong konti. Tulog tayo. Ayan. Tapos, gigising na yun. Okay? So, after an hour of boiling our cassava, yan pati yung initial na nilagay natin na yung second press ng gata. Nabawasan na rin, na-absorb na siya ng cassava. So what we will do now is that we'll put yung first press ng gata. Ooh. And pag sa tingin mo kulang pa, I bought 3 gata, pinapress ko. So this 3. I'll put in more. Mag-iwan tayo ng konti. Kasi gusto ko siya inumin. Sarap talaga ng ano? Sarap talaga ng fresh coconut cream. Kalami, uy. While we're waiting for that to boil, ilalagyan natin yung sago. Yeah. Sago just to give it a little texture and to give it some color. Last, lagyan natin yung sugar natin. Put in about 1.5 cups of sugar. You don't want it to be too sweet. Beautiful. Really nice. So ito, give it another 10 minutes to boil. Let me just taste the sugar kung tama na. It's good enough. Okay? Let it boil just to cook the coconut cream and we're ready to serve. After 10 minutes of boiling, turn it off. Ganda. It's so thick. Ooh, beautiful. Nice. And here's our cassava with coconut milk and sago. Let's try this. Ganda ng color niya. Bango. Sarap ng smell na, no? Yung bagong luto na, no, na coconut cream. Tapos with cassava. It's hot, ha? It's super hot kasi malapot siya, malagkit. Wow. Ganda, pati yung cassava niya, yung size niya, pagputol, eksakto. Tama yung size niya. Let's try this. Sago. Init. Whew! It's really good. Sarap na merienda food, no? Good. Cassava with coconut milk and sago. Masarap na merienda, malasa, mura at masustansya. Ano pang gusto ninyo? Diba? Thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma at home. And thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And do not forget to press on the notification bell. Tapos kung meron kayong mga favorite recipes niyo, comment mo sa akin and then we'll see if I can do it for you. Okay? So again, thank you so much for joining me. This is Richard Gomez right here in the wonderful and the beautiful city of Ormoc. I'll see you again soon. Bye. It's really good. Int lang. Pagkaimal. Kalami. Ha?